So far, we have learned about discipline, habits, and comfort zones. But what is mindset? Your mindset is your conscience's operating system. It's how your conscience makes decisions. Your subconscious makes decisions based off of habits. Your conscience makes decisions based on your mindset. Most people don't develop or create their mindset, so they default to the subconscious's decision making. Your mindset is a set of rules and values that are enforced by your willpower. So when you come across a situation that is not pre programmed by your subconscious, your conscience is brought on board to make the decision. When you're in the process of making this decision, you ask yourself a series of questions that help you come to your conclusion. Your mindset is outlining your rules and values that you use as the basis for your questions when making a conscious decision about something. For example, you're at a social event for work and there are donuts for you to eat at this event. When you see those donuts, a desire is triggered inside you to eat those donuts. You begin asking yourself questions. Should I eat those donuts? Am I hungry? How fattening are those? How will they make me feel? Have I had too much sugar today? Am I on a diet? Your mind fires through all these questions quickly. Now, let's say you are not on a diet. You don't have any rules set up for eating at social events, and you don't care what goes into your body, so your decision is to eat the donuts. But what if you had a weight goal? You valued what goes into your body and have a rule that you don't eat any dessert items on the weekdays. Then the questions/answers to those questions come out very different. Now you have a lot of reasons not to eat those donuts, and your conscience makes the decision to stay away from those donuts. Those values and rules you created for yourself created your mindset, which is your conscience's system to make decisions. So when you build out rules and values based on what you learn, the goals you decide on and the values you identify with will develop your mindset. This is one of the reasons self development is so important because as we grow in knowledge, our mindset grows with it, which empowers us and empowers our conscience to ask better questions and make better decisions that will benefit us over the long term and strengthen our conscience. In the next video, we will talk more about how to build your own mindset and how self development plays a part in that build.